Let's take a look at how a TCN vending machine is made, step by step. Step 1. Sheet metal processing. Laser cutting, bending, and punching shape the frame of the machine. Step 2. Powder coating. The surface is coated and baked for durability and a sleek finish. Step 3. Insulation foaming. We inject eco-friendly insulation to maintain internal temperature. Step 4. Final assembly. All components, from control boards to slots, are carefully assembled. Step 5. Testing and debugging. Each machine goes through strict testing to ensure smooth operation. Step 6. Quality inspection. We check every detail: performance, safety, and appearance. Final step, packing and delivery. With protective packaging, machines are ready to ship worldwide. From sheet metal to smart vending, it's all done right here. With TCN, quality is built into every step.